Are you looking for a way to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Look no further than online surveys. That's right, with just a few clicks and some spare time, you can start earning money by sharing your opinions. Online surveys have become increasingly popular as a way to supplement income or even make it a full-time gig. In this video, we'll explore the world of online surveys and show you how to get started on your money-making journey. So grab your laptop, sit back, and let's dive in. List of online survey websites. When it comes to online survey websites, there are plenty of options to choose from. Each platform offers its own unique features and opportunities for earning money. Here are some popular websites that you can consider signing up for. One. Swagbucks. Known as one of the largest survey sites out there, Swagbucks allows you to earn points called SVs by completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. 2. Survey Junkie. With a user-friendly interface and a wide range of available surveys, Survey Junkie is a great option for those looking to make money in their spare time. 3. Inbox Dollars. Besides offering paid surveys, Inbox Dollars also provides additional ways to earn cash such as reading emails, playing games, and participating in daily polls. 4. Toluna Influencers. Toluna stands out with its vibrant community where members not only take surveys but also engage in discussions on various topics while earning rewards. 5. Vindale Research. This website pays users cash instead of points, which makes it an attractive choice for those who prefer immediate rewards. Remember that these are just a few examples among many others available online. It's always worth exploring different platforms and finding the ones that suit your preferences and interests best. How to sign up for online surveys. Signing up for online surveys is a simple and straightforward process. To get started, you'll need to find reputable survey websites that offer opportunities to earn money. Look for platforms that have positive reviews and are known for their reliability. Once you've identified a few trustworthy survey sites, visit their websites and look for a sign-up or registration button. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a form where you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself. This may include your name, email address, demographic details such as age and location, as well as your interests. After filling out the necessary information, submit the form and create an account with the survey website. Some platforms might require you to verify your email address before proceeding further. Once your account is set up, take some time to complete your profile by providing additional details about yourself. This will help match you with relevant surveys based on your demographics and interests. Now that you're all signed up, keep an eye on your email inbox or the survey platform's dashboard for available survey opportunities. Take surveys that interest you or align with your preferences whenever they become available. Remember to stay consistent in participating in surveys regularly so that you can maximize your earnings potential from online surveys. How to make money from online surveys. Online surveys provide a convenient way to make money from the comfort of your own home. But how exactly can you maximize your earnings? Here are some tips on how to make money from online surveys. First, sign up for multiple survey websites. By diversifying your options, you increase your chances of receiving more survey invitations and earning more money. Some popular survey websites include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. Next, be sure to fill out your profile completely. Many survey sites use this information to match you with relevant surveys. The more details you provide about yourself, the better chance you have of qualifying for higher-paying surveys. When taking online surveys, it's important to be honest and consistent in your responses. Companies rely on accurate data to inform their decisions, so providing truthful feedback is essential. To boost your earnings further, consider joining focus groups or participating in product testing opportunities offered by certain survey sites. These activities often pay higher rewards and allow you to try out new products before they hit the market. Be patient and persistent. While online surveys can be a great way to earn extra cash, it may take time before you start seeing substantial results. Keep at it and stay active on various platforms for increased opportunities. Remember that making money from online surveys requires dedication and effort. By following these tips and staying proactive in seeking out opportunities, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Conclusion. In today's digital age, the internet provides endless opportunities to make money online. Online surveys are a popular and convenient way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. By sharing your opinions and insights with market research companies, you can not only influence the products and services that businesses offer but also get rewarded for your time. Throughout this article, we have discussed various online survey websites where you can sign up and start making money right away. Remember, it is essential to choose reputable platforms that have a track record of paying their users promptly and providing legitimate survey opportunities. When signing up for these websites, be sure to provide accurate information about yourself so that you receive relevant surveys based on your demographics. Additionally, keep an eye out for email notifications or check in regularly to ensure you don't miss any new survey opportunities. To maximize your earnings from online surveys, it's crucial to approach them strategically. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to complete surveys consistently. The more active you are in taking surveys, the more rewards you'll accumulate over time. While participating in online surveys may not replace a full-time income or make you rich overnight, it can certainly serve as a valuable source of additional income. Whether it's saving up for a vacation or covering monthly expenses, every little bit helps. It's important to note that patience is key when it comes to earning money through online surveys. Some days might bring plenty of high-paying survey invitations while others may seem slower. But by staying persistent and committed, you can steadily increase your earnings over time. So why wait? Sign up with reputable online survey websites today and start putting those spare moments during coffee breaks or commutes towards making some extra money. Take advantage of this accessible opportunity offered by the digital world we live in. Who knows? It could be just what you need to achieve financial goals or treat yourself. Remember, making money through online surveys is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and consistency, you can make it a reliable source of extra income.